Description of person. She is my wife. Her name is Lupita, and she always considered her a very beautiful woman. Or I met her when we studied together in junior high school, and we were great friends. Since we were children, we have lived in Cristobal, Oregon, Villafres, Chiapas. She has been a very studied person, and she has been always very smart. Lately, she has been a bit stressed about some health problems that her brother has. She likes to play sports. She loves to go with me to ride or bike. She likes to have a lunch with her family, and on weekends, she loves to visit her mother. Another very important thing in restaurants, she loves to eat aguachiles and chilaquiles. Whoever being a person who enjoys happiness, the most annoying things for her are the lies. The best thing about her is that she is a helpful person. She has an enormous spirit to support others, starting with the family, whoever the worst life experience she has had is losing her father and her sister when she was just 10 years old. Lupita is a nurse and from 2006 to 2013 she worked at a community hospital in Tapirula. Then she did a specialty degree at a state nursing institute and regularly works as a teacher at the school for the study because she was the best student in her class. Guadalupe Torres Rodriguez regularly lives in Tuxtla Gutierrez. She is an exceptional woman in all aspects of life. The best daughter in her family, the best teacher in her school, the best wife inside and outside the home, the best friend I have together with my mom, the best accomplice, the best sister as her brothers expressed it. The best thing he has raised in is Fatima and Emiliano, our kids. She is an exemplary model without doubt. I hope that God allows me to continue knowing Lupita for many more years. That's all. Thank you.